In this video, I want to show you how to call your voicemail directly from your iPhone with the phone in hand, or if you're calling from somewhere else, say a friend or a family member, into your phone and you want to check your voicemail. I'll show you how to do that. And at the end of this video, I'll show you how to do it with an Android phone. Let's say you have like a Samsung Galaxy. So with your iPhone in hand, either click on the voicemail app, which is usually on the very bottom right of your screen. Just tap it, and then that should take you to the voicemail. For whatever reason, if you can't find that, open up your dial keypad and just dial your phone number directly. So it's like you're calling yourself, and then that should take you directly to voicemail, and then it'll ask you for your password. Now, if you're calling into your iPhone, you're away from it, or if your battery's dead, for example, and you have someone else's phone, what you can do is call your number, wait till it goes to voicemail, and then either hit the pound button on that phone or hit the star button, and then that will take you to your voicemail. Well, that will take it to where it'll go to settings to where you can check your voicemail. You just have to know your password. Now, how to do it on an Android phone, it's pretty simple. So with the phone in hand, the only thing you have to do is either hold down the 1 on the dial pad on an Android phone. You just hold down the 1, it'll call the voicemail, or just dial your own phone number and it'll work. If you're calling into your Android phone, same thing, just wait till you get to a voicemail, and then what I want you to do is hit the pound key. Just hit the pound once, and that'll take you into the voicemail asking for your password. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.